नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JBN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी सोनी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथिक रेपर्टरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर, डिजिटल वर्जन 2.0. This is our clinical repertory topic, Bell's diarrhea repertory, the homeopathic therapeutics of diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, cholera morbus, cholera infantum, and other loose evocations of the vowels by James B. Bell. Now we will discuss the Bell's diarrhea in detail. So the homeopathic therapeutic of diarrhea, dysentery, cholera morbus, cholera infantum, James B. Bell. It is a homeopathic therapeutics of diarrhea, dysentery, and different type of loose evocations of vowel. It is a regional repertory or a spatial repertory which I related to related or limited to particular condition. And construction of this book is the divided into three part: introduction part, part, repertory part. In introduction part, it is divided into two part: in part 1 first edition, in part 2 preface of second edition, editor preface, preface of third edition and fourth edition, in part 2 character object of work with the aim and selection of remedy, administration of remedy. In preface, this work was prepared by the author for his own use as labor saver and as a receptacle for clinical observation. It was a difficulty to treating the obstinate diarrhea of children that first awakened the desire to possess in one little work all that was known of our Materia Medica as applied to the loose evocation of vowel. It include every remedy of which is known either of a stool or a condition and concomitant to distinguish it from other remedy, or it does not include every remedy that is known to purge, but only the remedy of which enough is known about is stool. The symptoms in the book are italicized, while rows are spatial, characterized by printed single black type. The second edition contains 100 pages, 32 new remedies are added, and the old one are thoroughly revised. In the preface to the third edition, 4 remedies of little importance and 5 of much importance have been added. 4 cactus, UFO, Opuntia, and Castrius, and 5 acetic acid, Crotalus, Angustri, Corba, Animalis, and Vesiol. Thoroughly revised and re-revised and renew comparison with all the materia medica now available reveal but a few hangs to make number of remedy add to omit. Part 2, character and objective of the work. This work is intended to apply to all loose evocation of vowel and describe them, their and aggravation, amelioration with immediate accompanied and general accompanied symptoms. The character of a stool is used as an adjective, and after it is stool always be understood. Under the head aggravation, amelioration, those influences are given which affect the stool and also those which act as excited cause of the attack. The concomitant of stool have been studied and observed with much care. The general accompaniment include all the symptoms that occur during the attack. Under act of best known remedies, some symptoms will be found italicized. These it will be understood are symptoms which have been most sharply distinguished that remedy from others. Selection of the remedy. The problem in every case is to find out a remedy whose symptoms are most closely similar to the case in hand. The section of remedy required two similar and one corresponding to general symptoms or those which bring it into relation to the pathological state to be treated. One corresponds to the spatial characteristic symptoms or those which bring it into relation with the individual case to be treated. The individualizing symptoms passes the greater value and are indeed indispensable to a certain selection. The problem of selection is solved by seeking the remedy which causes the physician and diagnostic symptom of the case. If a remedy is found that processes distinctly the latter symptom, but not so far is not known, we may conclude safely it does process the former administration it with confidence. Administration of remedy. The author experience has more satisfactory with use of the 12, 15, 30, 200, a higher potency of our remedy. Administration in water and repeated every 1 to 6 hours according to urgency of the symptom and supplemented as soon as decided improvement appeared. If the same remedy is needed to be resumed again, it has said better to give in higher potency. According to him, age, sex, habit does not have influence on choice of dose. Homeopathic therapeutic part 1, materia medica part, and the second part is repertory. In materia medica part, it includes the remedies and indications. 141 remedies are acetic acid to gingiber are explained under the heading stool character, aggravation, amelioration, symptom before stool, during stool, after stool, general accompanied symptom. And repertory part consists of pathological name, for example, diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, character of stool, condition of stool, and of accompanying symptom, aggravation, amelioration, accompaniment of evacuation are divided into before, during, after stool, general accompanying symptom. It is divided into subsections which start from the mind and mood and with general symptom. Repertory part is followed by list of author and consulted in the preparation of this work. After additional work are given, consulted in the preparation of second edition. Lastly, the index to the materia medica and repertory is given. Grading, italic and Roman, two type of typography. And now the advantages of this repertory. This is labor saving, but only in case of diarrhea. Detailed index, understanding construction of repertory, list of author consulted in the preparation of his work, and based on the author own observation. So this is helpful for clinical purpose. 141 remedies are included, especially case useful of for case of condition stool, diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, other loose evacuation of vowels. New symptoms and remedies are added which have been verified. Sometimes suggest the remedies which has never been thought of. So this is advantage, and another is a disadvantage of this repertory is that we cannot use for the proper repertorization and not useful for other than diarrhea cases, dysentery cases, only useful for the cases of diarrhea. So this is disadvantage of this repertory. Thank you. Hope you are understand with this session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box.